Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Story of Markandeya. Maya revealed to Markandeya. Markandeya was the son of Mrigantu Rishi, who was the grandson of Bhrigu, who was born of Lord Brahma's kin. Markandeya was in due time invested with the sacred thread and took to the life of lifelong celibacy, strictly observing Brahminical rituals, fully collected and composed. He soon kept himself solely concentrating on Sri Hari without least distraction as he sat meditating on the banks of the Pushpabhadra river. Coming to know of such a pious sage of young age, Narayana, the twin avatars, manifestations of the Lord, came over from Badrikashrama, where they are believed to be present even today, to Markandeya's ashram. Illumined by their very presence, he opened his eyes and was overwhelmed at the very sight of Narayana. Quickly doing the Pada Puja oblations and floral worship, Markandeya stood bowing his head in reverence and in true bhakti. Narayana asked Markandeya to ask for any boon, but he just kept his head low in reverence and merely said, their very presence in his ashram was itself a boon. God's Maya ultimately prevailed, and the young sage expressed his long cherished curiosity to experience God's Maya. Bestowing the fulfillment of his desire, the Lord left, and soon Markandeya was in his steadfast meditation. Unaware of surroundings, Markandeya saw himself suddenly buffeted by gusty winds and surrounded by surging waves and sea animals. Hardly able to keep his head above water, he saw an awe-inspiring sight. On a small hillock in the northeastern sphere, he saw a banyan tree, and on the hollow of its leaf, a charming babe. Markandeya saw the babe holding its thumb toe near the mouth, and the following lines were the result of that amazing scene. Kararavindena padaravindam mukharavinde viniveshayantam vatasya patrasya puthe shayanam balam mukundam manasasparami. All infants do try to put the thumb toe into the mouth, and it is a pleasure to watch. In a desperate desire to embrace the babe, Markandeya went close, but was soon sucked in with one inhaling of the babe. And the young sage momentarily witnessed all of the universe, planets, stars, mountains and rivers, swirling waters, flora and fauna. But as soon as he opened his eyes in wonderment, the sage was already out in the next breath of the infant and very much on the banks of the river Pushpabhadra. Chiranjeevi Markandeya realized what the Lord's Yogamaya was all about, and fully sated was back into mentally worshipping Lord Sri Hari's lotus feet, so much so that his self-control and total surrender to the Lord made Lord Shiva and Parvati visit his ashram, and immensely pleased with him made him a Chiranjeevi, the one with no death. Earlier, Indra and other gods had tried to distract the sage's tapas, but to no avail, despite their sending apsaras such as Kunjika Sthali to sway his mind. Markandeya is said to be living even today, blessed as he was, to live through the entire span of the present Kalpa. Kunjika Sthali, incidentally, was the chief of Apsaras, who along with others played a game of tossing balls and had almost exposed her full body. Markandeya was not aware of anything in his intense meditation spanning over the first 6 Manvantaras. Panchakastali was reborn as Anjana, who married Kesari, and her son was Hanuman. Now, the Maya that Yashoda saw. Sri Krishna as a child displays all pranks.
Sri Krishna as a child displayed all pranks usual for children of his age. But when he put a little scoop of earth in his mouth, the news immediately reached Mother Yashoda. Yashoda witnessed in Sri Krishna's mouth when asked to open it the whole universe. After all, the Almighty is the Sarva Lokekanatha, Master of the universe, all the 14 worlds consisting of 7 spheres from earth upwards, Bhuva, Suva, Mahar, Jana, Tapa, Satya, and 7
Atala Vitala,
Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala. Lord's Maya was revealed to Yashoda, who, unlike Lord Brahma, Devarshi, Narada, or sage Markandeya, did not have any thought of God's Maya, but only a mother concerned for the child. Infant Krishna putting thumb to his mouth.
Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna,
Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna
Karara Vindena Padara Vindam Mukhara Vinde Viniveshayantam Vatasya Patrasya Puteshayanam Balam Mukundam Manasasmarami Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.